August here with Alonzo, who has joined us for training. He has a very solid foundation. He is just nervous around people and a little underconfident. We're gonna take a run through his commands and see what he'll show us. Alonzo, sit. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Not quite a full sit there. Break. Yes, good boy. Let's do it again. Come on. Come. Good boy. Sit. 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 Down. 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 Come. 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 There you go. You can just see that he's a little nervous, so our focus for the program will be giving him a solid educational foundation as well as building his confidence.
Hi, I'm Maria. I'm Alonzo's mom. I came to Off Leash because Alonzo struggles with a little bit of anxiety and gets himself a little overstimulated. So throughout the last 2 weeks, I've been getting daily updates on his progress. He's learned quite a few commands and he's perfected the ones that he already knows. My biggest concern was his walking. He tended to just kind of maneuver around me, not really pay attention, get distracted very easily. And he's gotten heel down very well. He stays by my side. He listens. If I say come or sit, he'll do it. And if he's struggling because of the distractions, I'll just give him a few taps on his e-collar and he is recalling very well. And August was his amazing trainer. And the last 2 weeks have flown by, but I can definitely tell he has changed for the better and I'm very excited to continue his training.